Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video we have a look of Wing coin. What surprises goes in the Wing? A lot of people message me that please make a video on Wing and kindly tell us that what's the next target of Wing. So finally in this video I will show you the next target of Wing and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold Wing coin. First of all, we talk about the price of the Wing coin. What's the price is of Wing coin? As you can see here, the price is about 0.001493 USD dollar is the current price of Wing coin, and the change occur in the Wing coin negative. Last 1 day change is positive, and last 1 week change is negative. Friends, the market rank of the Wing coin. Now let's see for more details. We have a look of last 1 hour price prediction. What's the price change goes in a Wing coin? Kindly, if you don't subscribe my channel, so kindly click the subscribe button right now and also like this video. Subscribe is very important for all of you. If you listen to my voice, so don't ignore it. Kindly click the subscribe button. The last 1 hour change as a positive, as you can see here, positive 0.455%. Good change occur in a Wing coin in the last 1 hour. And if we look the currently as you can see here, now at this time I think they are ready for falling, but now they are again take a jump, so they are not falling down at this time, so don't worry about this. As you can see here, the high price in the last 1 hour is about 0.001511 the high price of the Wing coin in the last 1 hour friends. Now friends, let's see the last 1 day price prediction. What's in the last 1 day friends? As you can see here, they are loading. So as here, the last 1 day change is absolutely positive. Oh my god, I'm very happy to see this. 3.52% change occur in the Wing coin in the last 1 day, and the high price of the Wing is about 0.001518 USD dollar is the high price of Wing coin in the last 1 day friends. As you can see here, a good change occur in a Wing coin. As you can see here, they took a jump from the last 2 hours, and now also they are in the jumping mode friends. For more details, let's check it out the graph. As you can see here, that is a resistance level, and that is a support level. So they continues has travel between these two lines. As you can see here, the resistance, the support line. So what's the next target? As you can see here, take a jump, falls down, take a jump, and now again falls down. But I think now at this point they are again ready for a jump. As you can see here, that is why there is a lot of chances to they take a jump in the future friends. So it says 70% chances to they take a jump in the future and 30% chances to they falls down in the future. So what is your opinion about the Wing coin? Please share in the comment box. And if you are a holder of Wing coin, so please hold it, because it's a jumping time of Wing coin. So hold it. Hold is the best time. At this time, hold. And if you want to buy a Wing coin, so absolutely it's also a best time to buy Wing coin. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share your opinion in the comment box and kindly subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.